Okay, I'm going to go through some of the even problems on this assignment workbook, page 123, 1 through 18. You need to do them all. I'm going to do evens in case you just need a little extra help. So, thinking about the equation of a circle, your center will go in the HK spot. So for number 2, if your center is at 512, your equation is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 12 squared equals 8 squared. We're given that the radius is 8. So our final answer is going to leave these parentheses, but it'll square the 8. That's the answer we're looking for. Number 4. Similar problem, no big deal. Number 6 actually has a negative x value for the center. So your final answer will be x plus 6. It'll appear opposite as what you would think when you look at this equation in its final form. Your center would be at negative 6, positive 4. So the center always looks opposite when you're looking at the equation of a circle. Number 8 is a little trickier. It's nice to look at a graph of number 8. There's negative 5, negative 5. Okay, so this center has endpoints at negative 4, 0, and negative 4, negative 6. So this is a diameter. So you're looking at trying to figure out what the center is and what the radius is. Because you need a center and a radius to write an equation. So on graph paper, you could just count and find the center and the radius. Algebraically, the process would be to do the midpoint here, midpoint formula, and then if you to find the center, and then you could use the distance formula to find the distance of the radius and divide the distance of the diameter and divide it by 2. So midpoint. So our midpoint is negative 4, negative 3. Looking at our little picture, negative 4, negative 3 is exactly right. So for our equation of a circle, it's going to be x minus a negative 4 squared plus y minus a negative 3 squared equals r squared. X plus 4 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals r squared. But what is r? So reasonably, we can see that the diameter is 6 units long. It goes from 0 to negative 6 on our y values. So our diameter is 6 units. And that means our radius is 3 units. And if you couldn't just figure that out because it's just between 0 and 6, you would use distance formula here. So we know r is 3. So 3 squared is 9. Here's the equation of this circle. X plus 4 squared